most of search practices in Google Scholars goes unused. Today I will present for you a simple hack when you search or conduct searching strategy in Google Scholar, which filter for you the result and brings only for you relevant sources. You save a lot of times for screening all of this amount of research and reduce such hassles. So let's try this together. If I'm writing here, for example, I want studies which discuss frame or conceptual framework in students engagement, and then search directly about the statement together. If you realize here, you see the amount of result is 4,200,000. The trick of today is just write the concept in quotation. So if I'm writing here conceptual framework between quotation like this one, and then coming back as well to students engagement in quotation, here you are, and then search. So the result will be only 10 results. Let's correct it. It will be 35,000 results. So conceptual framework between quotation in students engagement between quotation, the result total 35,700. So we push Google Scholar to only include in research these topics which is this fully discussed in the paper, not only somewhere written. So here you see the differences between 4 million result and 35,000 result. So by applying this trick, you save your time and only search about relevant concept to your research.